Hi and welcome to Craggle. We develop tools for the VFX industry. This is a documentation video of smartLib, the project and shot management system for Nuke. smartLib allows you to quickly switch between several projects and shots and keep track of your work. By using smartLib in a team, it can become even more powerful. But first, let's install smartLib and then let's explore its features. Like any other Craggle product, smartLib can be installed with Craggle Connect directly inside of Nuke. For more information about Connect, please visit the link below. So open Connect and drag smartLib to the right to reveal more information. Just right-click on Buy and you'll be located to the web page where you can purchase smartLib. After purchasing, you'll receive a mail including a coupon code. Now simply click on Install, enter your received coupon code, and smartLib will be installed automatically on your machine. After the installation is finished, you will find a new submenu in your Craggle menu. To open the smartLib window, navigate to Craggle, smartLib, open smartLib. The shortcut is the comma key. The smartLib main window is split into several sections: the navigation, the system section, the project bookmarks, the current project, and finally the current shot. You can use this button on the top right to hide the system section, and that one to hide the current shot. This maximizes the section that you like to concentrate on. Let's explore each section one by one. To navigate between different projects and shots, you work from left to right. Here on the left, you will find your system folder structure. This is the same structure that you see in your Explorer. To navigate inside a folder, just double-click it. So here you can browse your system and navigate to your project folder. Here at the top you see the path that you have browsed to. You can jump to previous folders directly in here, or right-click and type in a URL manually or paste one. With this button you can jump up one folder in the hierarchy, and this button navigates you to your user's home directory. Here you can set some bookmarks to quickly switch between different locations on your system. Here at the bottom you will see all your bookmarks. To bookmark your current location, just choose Add Bookmark. The current path will then be bookmarked. To delete the current bookmark, simply select the bookmark and choose Delete Bookmark. Let's navigate to the projects on our system or on our server. When we have navigated to a project, we can bookmark a specific project as well. Just drag it to the bottom here. If you want to, you can also set the name. To enter that project, simply drag the project from the bookmarks or from the system section to the middle section here. This section represents the project that we are currently working on. So this is the folder that includes all of the Nuke shots. smartLib works with all folder structures. Just keep in mind to drag the folder inside the project section that includes all your Nuke shots. That means you probably have to navigate a bit deeper into your project if you have a more complex project structure. To show you what I mean, let's quickly switch to another project. So here's another example of a completely different project folder structure. In this project, all Nuke shots are located in a subfolder inside the project. So in here, we have to navigate to the folder that includes all Nuke shots, which is that one here. And if we want, we can bookmark that project here as well and set a name. And now let's switch to this project by dragging it to the project section in the middle here. So this section displays all shots of that project. We can now enter a shot by just dragging it to the shot section here on the right. So in a nutshell, here on the left, we can navigate our system and then drag a project to the project section here in the middle. This will display all shots of the selected project. We can then navigate to a specific shot. The shot section includes several elements. You can open your comps directly from smartLib. Let's open the latest comp version of that shot. Here you will find a drop-down menu that shows you all shot versions of that shot. Just select one and hit Open. All locations are stored with smartLib. That means if you close smartLib and reopen it, The locations for the system, project, and current shot are saved with smartLib, even if you close Nuke. smartLib offers the ability to set thumbnails for your shots, to make it easier to find your shots inside smartLib. The thumbnails are displayed with the current shots as well as in the project section. To set a shot thumbnail, you can right-click the image and choose Set Preview Image. You can then browse your system and set it manually. You can also set a thumbnail directly inside your current shot that you are working in. Simply select the node from which you like to create a thumbnail. That can be any node you like. So select one and navigate to Craggle, smartLib, Set Preview Image from Current Node. The shortcut is Shift-Alt or Option and P. The thumbnail will be created automatically, so let's open smartLib with the comma key and the preview image is set. Here at the top you can set the shot status to Not Started, In Progress, or Done. The shot status is also displayed in the project section here in the middle. Each shot contains the ability to write some comments. At the top right, you'll find a button to toggle the comment section on and off. Let's write a comment for this shot. For example, need some more details in the key. The comments are also displayed in the project section. This enhances the overview of all shots inside a project a lot, because you can always see how many shots are done and how much work there is left. If you use smartLib in your team, all artists will then see the shot status and all comments, which makes collaborating in a team better and faster. Furthermore, you can search shots by status. Let's show all shots that haven't been worked on, for example. Furthermore, you can search the list by name, which makes finding a specific shot really simple. The shot section shows the complete folder structure for the current shot. You can right-click and reveal the selected item in your Explorer, cut, copy, and paste items and rename them. Furthermore, you can create new Nuke scripts directly inside smartLib. You can also create folders if you need them. Here is a small tip. Just separate them by a comma key. By hitting OK, they are all created in one go. Are you tired of setting your render locations manually all the time? Then check out smartLib's Render Directory feature. Just select your render folder, right-click it, and choose Render Directory, Set as Render Directory. As soon as we create a write node in our Shots Nuke script, it's automatically set up with the selected render directory and the right name. You can drag footage from smartLib directly inside your DAG. If you drag a Nuke script into your DAG, all nodes of that selected Nuke script are appended to your current Nuke script. If you want to, you can always refresh each section. And you can also clear the section so the current item won't be displayed here. Do you need to create a new shot for the current project? smartLib offers you several options to create a new shot. Navigate to the project section in the middle, right-click and choose Create New Shot, Empty Shot, and give it a name like Shot 120. This will create an empty shot inside your project. You can then start filling it with the folders you need and create a Nuke script. But you don't always need to start from scratch. Let's create another shot. So right-click and choose Create New Shot. And let's choose the second option, from Existing Shot Folder Structure. You can then create a new shot based on the folder structure of an existing shot. Let's call it Shot 130 and give it the folder structure of, let's say, Shot 50. The new shot will then have the same folder structure as Shot 50. Additionally, you can create shot templates and create a new shot based on a shot template. Let's have a look on how to do that. So let's open the smartLib settings. So navigate to Craggle, smartLib, Settings. In here, switch to the tab Shot Templates. Let's click on New and give it a name, like Comp for example. Now we can populate that template with folders the same way we have seen before in the current shot section. So let's right-click and hit New Directory. And let's create a folder for scripts, tracks, assets, and prep. If we need to, we can also create subdirectories. For now, let's leave it as it is. Let's create a template Nuke Script in the shot template as well. So let's right-click the scripts folder and choose New Nuke Script. Now here's a little tip. We can create a template Nuke Script that will have the same name as the current shot. To do that, we can use a keyword. Let's write shot in curly brackets. Then let's type comp _ version 001. So when we create a new shot based on the template, which we'll do in a second, the keyword shot will be replaced with the name of the shot. Let's also set the render folder. So right-click on the render folder and choose Render Directory, Set as Render Directory. We can create as many templates as we like. With this drop-down menu, we can switch between them and continue editing or delete elements of a template. Now we have successfully created a shot template. Let's click on Save and Close. Let's go back to the smartLib main window and create a new shot based on our new shot template. Right-click on the project section and select Create New Shot from Shot Template. Let's set a name, for example, Shot 140, and choose our template Comp. In here, we will take a look at the template folder structure to make sure that we chose the right one. Shot 140 was automatically created with exactly that folder structure. And here's the Nuke script, which now contains the shot name Shot 140. You can also batch create several shots. Besides manually setting them up one by one, you can create them in one go. Let's switch to another project. So here, there are no shots at the moment. Let's right-click and choose Create New Shot from Shot Template. Let's click on Single Shot, and the window changes, revealing the inputs for batch creating multiple shots. Let's switch to our Explorer and put it next to Nuke so that we can see the folder's content. Let's say we like to create 20 new shots, starting by 10 and incrementing by 10, which means creating shot 10, shot 20, shot 30, and so on, up to shot 200. So let's set the name to shot, set the start to 10, set the end to 200, and increment the steps by 10. So again, we like to create shots with the name shot, and then incrementing numbers. So shot 10, shot 20, shot 30, and so on. Let's set our use template, and finally, let's click Create Shots. We see that smartLib has created all shots automatically for us. Each shot uses the specific shot template, and in there we find the corresponding Nuke script. So everything is set up automatically, and we can start our composites right away. Let's switch the project and choose this shot. Let's change the status to In Progress. And let's open that Nuke script and start working on our shot. Let me quickly put in some notes. And let's say I'm done with that shot. So let's create a write node to render our shot. As the render path was already set up with our template, the render path is set automatically for us, which is pretty convenient. So let's simply click on Render. Let's say the shot needs some improvements. So let's save it as version 2 and do our changes. The write node still points to version 1. So let's simply delete it and create a new one, which will now point to version 2. And we can render again. When that shot is done, let's edit status. And these changes have been done, so we can remove them and start working on another shot. Let's say we need to work in another shot in another project. Drag the other project to the project section and choose the shot we like to work on. We can then switch back to the other project and choose another shot. So smartLib makes switching between projects and shots super fast and intuitive. Finally, let's have a quick look at smartLib settings. So let's navigate to Craggle, smartLib, Settings. We have already seen the shot template section. So let's have a look at General and Render. So in the General section, you can display or hide hidden files in the current shot section. And in the Render section, you can set the padding and the file format for the renderings. Let's set it to TIFF with a frame padding of 6. And whenever you create a write node in a script in which the render path is set, the write node will set the padding to this number and the file type to the set type. So this was a documentation video of smartLib, a project and shot management system for Nuke. smartLib makes working and switching between projects and shots intuitive and super fast. It will speed up your daily workflow a lot, no matter if you work alone or in a team.